There's the Tree of Shame. That's the motorcycle resort here at Neil's Gap, North Carolina, at the Trail of the Dragon. Check this out, Neil's Gap. Is that what I said? No, Deal's Gap. Deal's Gap. Working on your bike. Little garages like horse stalls. Ain't that cool? This place is world known, or world renowned. And that's the beginning of the Trail of the Dragon. 11 miles, 318 curves. We slayed the dragon yesterday. Yep. All kind of exotic cars, sports cars, any motorcycle you can think of, about any vehicle you can think of, they just use to do this.